Welcome back to Nurse Housekeeping and Reversible channel. Today's topic is Simple TeeTurtle Towel Art. To make a regular turtle like this, you need 3 towels. This regular turtle is more 3-dimensional, but you have to fold 3 towels in different ways. It's a little bit complicated and takes time. To make a simple TeeTurtle, you need only 1 hand towel. Let's start. Please hold the center bottom and roll up both edges. Bring bottom side to upper, grab both sides and twist to down. Then open both sides. Basically, that's it. You can pull the feet or reshape the head part to make it nicer. If you want to make it more stable, please flip over and put the feet between these parts. Now, let's look at more practical examples. Make the same TeeTurtle with a bath towel. Then it looks like the baby is following mama. You can combine a regular turtle for mama and a simple TeeTurtle for a baby. If you add a shellfish beside them, you can create an ocean view on the bed. Isn't it nice? Let me talk about my experience. The best time to make this towel art is when you find a turtle stuffed animal in the guest room. I put the guest turtle on the towel art like this. The next day after they checked out, I found this message on the desk. Absolutely, this message made my day, and this was the best part of that day. Of course, I appreciate receiving a tip, but I felt much happier than receiving a tip because this is priceless. This is one of my treasures now. Next time, I'm planning to talk about cash tips. I talked about how to manage a lot of coins before. We also receive a lot of bills as tips. So I'd like to introduce the way to manage a lot of dollar bills. Thank you for watching and see you soon!